So today I want to talk about the global chip shortage and the automobile industry. I do have some other videos out there regarding the automobile industry and I have a video that talks about the chip shortage in particular and how it got started. You can watch those videos if you follow these links right here. Today I want to talk again about the automobile industry. I usually don't think about semiconductors being a big part of it. I think about rubber and steel and things of these natures, but it turns out it is a part of it and it's causing a lot of delays when it comes to automobile production. There are literally thousands of cars out there that are almost complete and they just need these chips. We see it in the news. We see pictures of these parking lots out there of just nearly completed cars. The reason why this is the case is because these electronic components do all these things. They're just a huge part of all the new bells and whistles that we see in cars today. They are everywhere and it's only increasing, right? So if you go back to 2004 to 2017, you can see that these things, especially when it comes to safety, have become almost universal in new cars out there. Now, we also think about just electronics in general, not chips in particular, but electronics in general are becoming such a huge cost component of cars that we're reaching the point where the electronics are going to be more than 50% of the underlying cost for a car. In this chart, we can see, again, those costs for electronics in general, but also semiconductors in particular, where just the semiconductors are making up $400 to $600 of the component of the cost of a car. Now, it turns out that they need tons of these, right? That's the whole point of this whole video is that cars actually do need a ton of these and they're not out there, right? We have these chip providers out there and they're kind of looking back at the automobile industry saying like, hey, these are legacy chips. We don't make that much money with them. We've got massive demand for these more expensive, higher margin chips. So we really can't help you right now. We're overwhelmed. And it's just, the point is, it's going to take a while to resolve this. That's why it's such a big deal for the automobile industry. I hope it turns around at some point here, but that's what we're looking at. Hope you enjoyed that. Happy trading out there. Thank you so much. I'm Brian Kozlowski.